Welcome, hola, ¿cómo estás?
Okay guys, we are here.
Is it recording?
Yes, yeah. We're here at a very expensive sushi restaurant, so we're gonna be spending millions of dollars. This is omakase style. Looking at the fish, it looks so good. And it was very hard to get here. We were walking on the streets and there's a sign saying no reservation. We come down here, we just saw a door.
$3 to get in and find the place.
I'm so hungry. Very hungry.
Starving.
Bon appetito. This place is super chill. Diego was saying that it's a very chill place. So we're just a couple chill guys doing chill things at a chill restaurant, eating chill food. Yeah, they're just very chill. A very chill place.
On your time. No rush.
Whatever it is.
We're hungry. We are starving.
Exactly.
Yuzu?
Yuzu.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay. And that one is the green tea.
Yes, thank you.
I don't know about that. I'll try this.
Yuzu is something I don't know. Thank you. Cheers.
We're gonna start with the cream cheese. I'm gonna start with this one. It's cold. So don't worry, be happy. Cheers.
Cheers, man. Very delicious. Thank you. So this is flounder. Super delicious. Seaweed with Japanese yam and pickled ginger.
Got the drink, right?
Really good.
Good?
Very good. Very good. Very different. Pickled ginger. Very nice. Very good. Thank you. Sea brie? Okay. How you feel now? Bon appetit. Just eat. Just eat.
Bon
Just
appetit.
This has been an amazing amazing experience.
You're freaking out.
Next one is Barracuda.
続いてがですね、ホタテの焼き浸し、本マグロの中トロでございます。
What is this?
This one is dasai.
So we
Just
eat
like
in
sip
the,
alone.
oh, okay.
Like with
Some sauce in there. Real good.
it's made from eggs and some oil. Also like
I have no idea what I'm eating, but it's good.
So good.
So, the story is, I checked the flights going back home, right? And we gotta buy a ticket.
And then we came here to eat, spending about $100.
$100.
But how many times did we pass a 7-Eleven? And a Family Mart?
Four times. 2 7-Elevens, 4 Family Marts, a bunch of convenience store.
Starbucks.
Oh boy. Starbucks. Shake Shack. I'm sorry guys. We're cracking up. Oh boy. I'm too tired for this. Let's go with the scallops now. Let's live life. Cheers. To be honest, I didn't.
Next, fatty tuna.
Quase $100.
My favorite one. Favorite one. Spanish mackerel. So then when you add the soup, it gives it a different flavor. Wow. Japanese man.
I will never forget this trip, dude. This is good, man. This is good.
I think that was my favorite.
Spicy?
which one?
The pickle?
Pickle is not more.
We have this steamed. Okay, so it's not cooked, it's not raw, it's steamed. So, here we go.
Yeah. This is crazy.
We're living life. Conga il. Es como con un taco, ¿no?
Sí.
Casi casi. Hold it. Buon appetito.
Where is it?
Clam soup. Wow. very hot.
I
あ、
Bro.
一個一個だけ。で、レモンサワー。
Bro, very good.
Japanese omelets with caramelized top right there.
Sweet apple.
Sweet?
Sweet. This one also sake.
And the tea.
Thank you very much. Cheers.
Salute. We'll catch you guys on the next one.
Y muchas gracias.
Like, comment, subscribe.
ようこそ寿司六本木向へ。